Whoa, whoa, whoa. I'm right here. Stop. You lost me, bro.
Alright, so the crash is coming up. Basically, if you're curious on what happened, I was testing out the active track while I was riding on my longboard, and at the time of the crash, I was not touching the controls whatsoever. I only touched them once the drone started to get sucked into the tree, as you can see from the flight log.
Oh, oh. Oh gosh. Oh, it just crashed. Oh, oh. Oh, oh. Oh.
Pretty much every error that you could get within the DJI Fly app popped up as soon as the crash happened. And yeah, it got thrown down probably 50 to 60 feet from the top of the tree down to the ground.
So it's not invincible. It's down there. Is it okay? I don't know. We're gonna have to find out. Oh no.
This here is when I found the drone and devastatingly found that the camera was not attached to the drone anymore.